Today on Stoked on Fishing, we're heading offshore, 30 miles to Catalina Island with our friends from Navico. What's great about fishing is, over the years, it brings new people together from around the world. People you have never met before, but all share the same passion, fishing. What's best about taking people out fishing for their first time is the fun memories that everyone gets to take home. Thankfully for us, we had beautiful weather, great bait, and some local island yellowtail and bass that wanted to play.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh! Holy cow! Stoke, baby, stoke! Oh, right there at the boat!
This is a world record. This is a world record. This is a world record.
Yeah! Woo! Look at that thing! What? Yeah, baby.
Stoke on fishing.
Stoke!
Stoked on Fishing is brought to you by Simrad, the world's most trusted fish finding electronics, marine equipment, and navigational solutions designed to withstand challenging conditions and provide navigation for the leisure and professional markets. Simrad, go with confidence. And by Okuma Fishing Tackle. Delivering more than just fishing gear, Okuma delivers the motivation to hit the water. Okuma, developed to inspire your passion for fishing. And by Simi Valley Buick GMC, Southern California's family-owned and operated dealership who is stoked on fishing. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing here, Bettina?
Woo! Ready for bait. Here we
Are
go.
we hoping for any particular bait?
Squid. Please, please, let's have some squid.
Thank you very much for breakfast, by the way.
Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure.
You always do such a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Yeah, time to get some bait.
The fresh bait.
And they do have
Want me to
squid.
do that?
Oh, they do.
Bonus.
Good.
Bonus.
Andrew, they got some squid? Yeah, this is what we were hoping for. We got it. Nacho here, he's going to take good care of us. And yeah, we got the best bait.
Got it.
Nice, Nacho.
Yeah, these are real good.
Oh, the candy.
That's the way we do it. Stoked on fishing style.
Boy, did he load us up well.
Dude.
We got so much bait.
Dude. So Andrew, after you get your bait, what's the first thing you like to do with all these toys?
You know, just, I kind of have it set, you know, and a little bit of everything. I got structure scan on my right. I got my radar on, which we got daylight now, so I'm going to turn it off in a few minutes.
But the radar, that was a bonus coming out at 4:30 in the morning.
Oh, definitely, definitely. As you can see, I'll turn this off real quick. You can see how clearly defined the break wall is right here.
Point that out. There you go.
Go ahead and zoom in a little bit.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah, that's the radar. This is the bait barge right behind us as we just left.
Yep.
I'll go ahead and bring up the rig that's right in front of us. We'll go ahead and zoom out a little bit. There it is right there.
Spot on.
Yep. There's another vessel. This is our AIS. So we pick up all the vessels that have an AIS transponder on it. We got all the buoy, up-to-date buoy info. So all these little flags here, it tells us our wind situation. So creating our game plan for what we're going to do today. We got a few guys on a boat that have really never fished before. They possibly could get seasick, so I want to keep them in really good conditions.
Yeah.
So I'm going to stay on the front side of the island. It uploads, I think, every 2 hours,
Okay.
so it updates itself. But as I said, we got all the buoy information. I could go to that buoy right there, and it tells me the date, the wave height, 3 feet at 17 seconds, below average steepness. Wind waves 2 feet at 7 seconds.
Sweet.
And, you know, as you guys know, when you guys are fishing out there, the more information you have, the better. We got sea temperature models on here too. So as you can see, it's shaded here in different colors. You can see the temp breaks.
Which is everything. That's basically everything.
That's right, exactly. We're going out for a half a day at the island. We'll be heading out. We just actually are on our way. It's almost 6 a.m. and we're coming back. We'll probably leave the island about 1.
Okay, so we got, what, 4 hours to fish or something?
Exactly. Yeah, what I do normally is the night before, I always try to, do my homework. I try to find out as much information as possible on where to go. So I made a call out to 976 Tuna yesterday night. Talked to Terrence personally. He gave me some pretty good info.
Okay,
so we got
nice.
a few good spots on the island to start off at. Biggest thing right now is conditions. A couple hours we'll be there, 2.5 hours. We should be pulling in. And yeah, hopefully we do well.
All right. Doing today, bud?
Doing great.
Haven't seen you since Ensenada.
I know, it's been 2 years.
What's going on today? We got some boys on the boat?
Yep, we get quite a bit of guests from our site. We're 4 people. They actually from various different places, mostly from Japan. So.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Hope to catch some fish.
Yep. Looking forward to get big fish today.
Nice. Now we're not working. We're just having some fun today, right?
Exactly.
All right. Let's make that clear.
Yep. Having fun today.
All right. What's the deal?
What's the deal? We're gonna put
Make it
us
for yellowtail or what?
for a yellowtail, white sea bass, whatever pops up with at Catalina. We're putting size 4 hook, little baby slider, maybe a 1/4 ounce,
Perfect for squid, right?
and perfect for squid.
I just want to point this out real quick. The Halo radar, it has a bird mode to where we have some birds right now. There's a bunch of birds flying from the port side in front of us. You could actually see them as they're flying by. You could see them moving. It's picking them up,
It's ridiculous.
and they're moving.
Little blue dots?
Yep, exactly. There's one. There's a little school right there. See right there. Right now, they're pretty close, so I have it zoomed in on a half a mile so we can see them in the middle of the screen. But based on the specs, we're supposed to be able to do this up to 5 miles out. So it's pretty incredible, technology. And again, for us fishermen, it changes the game.
We found something. Is that a sailboat or something? It's no one is there, so we want to check it out.
Yeah.
Anyone on board?
Yeah, the sailboat here, it's an abandoned sailboat.
Yeah.
Looks like it might have fallen off or came off a mooring. So I just wanted to make sure, there's nobody on board.
We're going to report that to say,
I'm going to call it into
Coast Guard
the
or something, or Avalon?
yeah, I'm going to call it into the Harbor Patrol. Let's just take a look, make sure.
Make sure
everybody's-
no one's in distress.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I couldn't talk. I was just
Shooting the radar.
Oh, shoot the radar. Oh yeah, if you go on the roof.
Taking. Some bonita. If some bonita around, yellowtail around.
We seen bonita caught on that boat. There's a bent rod over here. Might be a yellow. We got the candy bait, so we're ready to go.
I do believe we've caught yellowtail here before, right?
Yes, we caught here several times. We anchored here and caught fish.
All right.
Yeah, I know. Can I use it? Anyone?
Push this down.
Real.
There you go. Oh.
Go, real.
Get his arm up. Get his arm up so he's holding
No,
it.
no, I got it right here.
Got it? It's a good one.
Right.
You see here.
Let's go for the boat.
All right. Nice. Keep it going just like that. Doing good, guys. Good guys.
Right here.
All right. Nice bonita.
Oh, it just came
Oh,
out.
it
It's
came
okay.
off. Yeah.
I'll catch another one.
They like the jig. They like the jig.
I have no idea. I just failed something and just want to check the bait, but here it is.
All right. First man on the boat, Tim. Nice
All
job.
right. Woohoo!
Hey, if there's one, there's more.
Yep.
Right, Bettina?
Yep.
Go up and down.
Nice job, guys. Nice job. All right. Oh, there he is. Another yellowtail.
Oh, right.
No, big. Okay, it's right there, right there. Got him right now.
All right.
Sweet! Bring it up.
Give me some love.
Nice.
Nice.
All right. We got 2 yellowtail. We've been here about half hour.
Yep.
We've been chumming. Baits have been in the water, and they're starting to come through.
Yeah, he's definitely got something. Old Silent Tim over here.
Nobody even knows he's on a fish.
Something's on
I know.
there.
He's just pulling it.
Something is on there.
Here it comes.
Oh, it's a little halibut.
Stop, stop, stop. Back up, back up, back up.
That
Just
might
back
be
up.
legal. That's legal.
Oh, it is legal.
I didn't expect that.
22 inches.
That's 22.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'll measure him. I gotta
we gotta
measure
measure
it.
him.
You are on fire.
Good job. That's a great tasting fish.
Say Silent. Oh, see his teeth? See the teeth?
Oh, yeah.
Teeth.
Oh.
It should be some right
How
there.
many inches is it?
It's 24 1/4.
Okay, so we're good to go.
We're good to go.
Legal size is?
Legal 22 inches.
All right, nice job. That would be that guy. Yee. What's your nickname today, Tim?
Silent killer.
You got one too?
I don't know something here.
Oh yeah, keep rolling, keep rolling. Nice.
Stop, stop, stop.
Shoot back, sticks out.
Another one. Joe, give me that gaff, quick.
Keep reeling. There you go, Andrew. Grab it by your hand. Hey, give me some love.
All right, thank you.
Nice.
Woohoo!
There it is. Boom.
I got a fish.
Go ahead, open it up. Here. Yeah, baby.
Oh.
That's good eating. Sashimi.
It's running. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, stop right there.
I think you just got yourself a legal calico bass. That's awfully close. Let's get him big. Oh, he looks big. Nice job. Nice job with the bass. Another halibut, another halibut, another halibut.
Hold on. Howdy, bud.
Keep reeling.
Don't gaff it, don't gaff it.
No, that's small. It's too small. You can grab by the line. Too small. All right.
That's small.
All right. All right, a little small.
We're gonna little short. We're gonna release the fish right now. Beautiful halibut.
See you next year.
Later, buddy. See you next year. I like that. Yeah. Nice job. Nice job.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Oh, professional right there. He's got it down now. See that? Almost, couple more. Nice work. Nice work. Almost one more. You got it. You got it. Awesome. Well done. Okay. Here, Tim, grab it.
Right.
Tim got another one?
There you go. No, don't get wrapped up in that anchor. Nice, you missed it. Nice. That's a bonita. Sweet. Bring him on up. Look at that. The silent killer. Woohoo. Grab him. Yep. The wrap around. Look at that. That's teamwork right there, buddy.
I was up there and then I see
Tim.
your rod go like this. I'm like,
Awesome.
fish on in the bow.
All right. Yeah, Mr. Bonita.
Okay, stop,
Walk
stop.
him down. Walk him back.
What's yours?
All right. Hold him up, Joe.
Oh, beautiful fish.
Here.
Very nice. Okay. Nice work. All right.
Tip up, tip up. Okay, that's okay. You
All
can do
right.
this.
I like that style. It's okay. Just loose line on that other one. Loose line.
Keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling, reel.
Reel.
Turn.
Yep. There you go.
He's tired.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Keep them in the water.
You got him. Nice, Joe. Look at that professionalism. Whee!
Good job.
All right.
Don't lose the rod now.
All right. Here, turn.
Was that on the bottom? What was that?
No, just fly. No.
Fly line?
Whee!
So stop. Get his over.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. There you go. Doing good.
Over here. Over here.
Coming under, guys.
Go.
All right, nice.
Go over me, go over me.
Nice, doing good job. Nice job, guys.
Go over me, go over me.
There you go. Nice, Andrew, nice. You're doing good. Doing good. So underneath. There you go. Keep reeling. Nice job. Nice. Oh, yeah. Take it easy. Oh, yeah. Ooh, woo. That's a good one right there. There you go. Doing good. I don't know what that might be a big halibut maybe, or
Might be a halibut. It's straight
just take your
down.
time. Nice and easy. Doing good.
Soft. Yeah, real soft. Because if it's a halibut, we want it.
Yeah, no jerk motion.
Here it comes. I
Doing
see
good.
big color.
Doing good.
Yellow.
Yellowtail?
Yes, certainly.
You're doing good, my friend.
Okay, stop.
All right. Oh, Mr. Yellowtail. Hey.
Turn around, John.
All right.
Say
Nice job. Yeah. Booyah.
Booyah.
Hey. Let me
I'm
get
about to hit for the cycle. I got cooked a barracuda, a halibut, and not a yellowtail. Now I just got to get a calico. I'll hit for the cycle.
All right.
There you go.
Well, you're wearing the right colors.
Exactly. Simrad. There's no substitute.
Joe, what's going on here?
We're just hanging out in the bow, nice and comfortable. It's not as rocky.
Is it to your liking?
Oh, it's perfect.
I think everybody likes it.
Everybody likes it. Look at everybody's smiles.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up,
Thumbs
yes.
up. All right. We got thumbs up all the way around. Yes, sir. All right. Almost lunchtime, right, Joe?
Yes.
Wow. You guys never seem to disappoint when it comes to food on this boat.
Fish tacos.
Is that what's going on today?
Spectacular,
Wow.
Fish tacos. What we're doing here, we got some sauteed onions, some sauteed bell peppers, a few of my secret spice mixtures, some garlic, salt. Once this gets a little golden brown or translucent, we're going to add the fish in there.
Ah.
Some salted fish, and actually today we have some calicos. What we're going to do is lay the fish right on top of the onion mix.
On top of it.
On top of it, so it's going to actually cook with all the flavors of the onion and the spice mixture here. So when we flip it, the onions are going to stick to it, and then the few onions that are underneath will actually stick to the
Fish.
fish.
Wow.
So this is what we got here. That's the end
Finished product?
Yeah.
Boom.
Very flavorful. It actually infuses into the fish and gives a lot of
And
flavor.
it cooks it at the same time.
Yep.
Sweet.
All right.
And how long are you leaving those fish?
Yeah, it just depends on the fish. These are calicos, so they do cook pretty quick. So when it kind of starts to get white, and you could see the whiteness,
Okay, yeah. Flaky.
flaky, exactly. Time to the flipper. All right. There we go.
Regular salt or sea salt?
Just regular salt.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, regular salt. You can use sea salt. That's good too.
That goes to that. Andrew, you just take a look at the television just in case any fish come swinging by?
I do, and then I just come dashing out.
See near and far. Leave nothing unseen.
The bang that you see here is a 20-foot bang. As you'll notice, this pylon will come to the boat and we'll never lose sight of it. This allows us to go into tight areas and get target acquisition up tight and up close.
Unmatched target resolution.
You're picking up a line. These are pylon that are sticking out of the water, and that is over a quarter mile away from the boat right now. No radar on the market today has this capability.
On camera too. What well, the damage is done now, so it's no big deal.
I know.
I'm not gonna lie, but that's good stuff.
That was.
Oh. Yes, sir. There we go. Oh, there he goes.
There he is. Okay,
Another rod up. Get the rod up. Get the rod up.
Go over here. Go.
Walk to your left. Walk to your left.
he's gonna have to go under the anchor if he's going under. You don't want him around the stabilizer.
Go fast. You need to go fast if it's moving that way.
That's a big fish.
He's already on it.
Okay, go.
I can feel it.
Oh, he's on it?
Yeah.
What is your deal today? That's a big fish too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a big fish.
I can feel it.
Nice, Tim. You're doing good, bud. Isn't that 2-speed nice and easy? Metalloid!
I worked that sucker.
Doing good, buddy. Doing good.
He's the bigger one. Here he comes.
Here he comes. Yeah, Mr. Yellowtail.
He's coming.
Oh yeah.
Keep putting him in the water. Put him in the water.
Booyah. Let me get the grass off.
Oh, that's good size.
Yes, I got some line.
Sweet. Sweet, guys. Blood's coming out. You are on fire, dude. All right, man.
He is on fire.
You are.
It's great.
Both, that's nice teamwork, guys. Nice teamwork. Nice. Nice job, Tim. Word to the wise, you want to say anything about that? Don't put your thumb there?
Just don't give up. Don't give up.
There you go.
Yeah.
But what happened? You put your thumb on it and then it
On
ripped
the
the line.
and you just go all the way.
Let me see your thumb. Does it burn you a little bit?
It's a little bit, but it's not
Get
bad.
yourself a little yellowtail blister. Well,
Not
good.
bad.
He's on the boat, right?
Good experience.
Stoked on Fishing is brought to you by Simrad, the world's most trusted fish finding electronics, marine equipment, and navigational solutions designed to withstand challenging conditions and provide navigation for the leisure and professional markets. Simrad, go with confidence. And by Okuma Fishing Tackle. Delivering more than just fishing gear, Okuma delivers the motivation to hit the water. Okuma, developed to inspire your passion for fishing. And by Simi Valley Buick GMC, Southern California's family-owned and operated dealership who is stoked on fishing.
Oh, the candy.
That's the way we do it. Stoked on fishing style.
Boy, did he load us up well.
Dude.
We got so much bait.
Dude. So Andrew, after you get your bait, what's the first thing you like to do with all these toys?
You know, just I kind of have it set, you know, and a little bit of everything. I got structure scan on my right. I got my radar on, which we got daylight now, so I'm going to turn it off in a few minutes.
But the radar, that was a bonus coming out at 4:30 in the morning.
Oh, definitely, definitely. As you can see, I'll turn this off real quick. You can see how clearly defined the break wall is right here.
Point that out. There you go.
Go ahead and zoom in a little bit.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah, that's the radar. This is the bait barge right behind us as we just left.
Yep.
I'll go ahead and bring up the rig that's right in front of us. We'll go ahead and zoom out a little bit. There it is right there.
Spot on.
Yep. There's another vessel. This is our AIS, so we pick up all the vessels that have an AIS transponder on.
Oh, right there at the boat!
Is this a world record? This is a world record. This is a world record.
Yeah! Oh, look at that thing! Whoa! Yeah, baby. Stoked on fishing!
Stoked on Fishing is brought to you by Simrad, the world's most trusted fish finding electronics, marine equipment, and navigational solutions designed to withstand challenging conditions and provide navigation for the leisure and professional markets. Simrad, go with confidence. And by Okuma Fishing Tackle. Delivering more than just fishing gear, Okuma delivers the motivation to hit the water. Okuma, developed to inspire your passion for fishing. And by Simi Valley Buick GMC, Southern California's family-owned and operated dealership who is stoked on fishing. Today on Stoked on Fishing, we're heading offshore, 30 miles to Catalina Island with our friends from Navico. What's great about fishing is, over the years, it brings new people together from around the world. People you have never met before, but all share the same passion, fishing. What's best about taking people out fishing for their first time is the fun memories that everyone gets to take home. Thankfully for us, we had beautiful weather, great bait, and some local island yellowtail and bass that wanted to play.
Nice.
Nice.
Stoke, baby, stoke!
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing here, Bettina?
Woo! Ready for bait. Here we
Are
go.
we hoping for any particular bait?
Squid. Please, please, let's have some squid.
Thank you very much for breakfast, by the way.
Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure.
You always do such a fantastic job.
Thank you.
It's time to get some bait.
The fresh bait.
They do have
Want me to
squid.
do that?
Oh, they do.
Bonus.
Good.
Bonus. Andrew, they got some squid?
Yeah, this is what we were hoping for. We got it. Nacho here, he's going to take good care of us. And yeah, we got the best bait.
Nice, Nacho.